Good day everyone. Today, I'm going to present to you how to convert binary to decimal. The binary number system or base 2 uses only two digits, 0 and 1. It is the fundamental language of computer where 0 represent off and 1 represent on. So, these are the step by step. Step 1. Write down the binary number and assign powers of 2 to each digit from right to left. So, example, 1, 0, 1, 1, and 2 power of 3, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 0. And this is the step 2. Step 2. Multiply each binary digit by its corresponding powers of 2. Example, 1 times 2 power of 3 and plus 0 times 2 power of 2 plus 1 times 2 power of 1 plus 1 power of 2. 1 times 2 power of 0. So next step, step 3. Solve the powers and perform the multiplication. 1 times 8 plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. Pag nasulat na lahat yan, i-multiply. Then, punta tayo sa next step, step 4. And these are the step 4. Step 4, 1 times 8 is equals to 8. Tapos, lagyan ng plus. And then, 0 times 4, edi 0. Plus ulit. Then, 1 times 2 equals 2. Tapos, 2 plus 1 times 1 edi 1. Then equals natin 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 11. Then the decimal then the decimal equivalent of 1011 base 2 is 11 base 10. This method works because the decimal system is a positional system, meaning the value of a digit depends on its position. For binary, each position represents a power of 2. By multiplying each digit 0 or 1 by its positional value and summing them up, you find the total value in base 10. Next, decimal to binary conversion. The decimal number system or base 10 is the system we use every day. It has 10 unique digits, 0 to 9, and it's based on power 10. Okay. Okay, step 1. We are converting 25 base 10. Okay, step 1. Continuously divide the decimal number by 2. So, 25 divided by 2 is equals to 12. Remainder 1. Then 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. Remainder 0. Next, 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. Remainder 0. Next, 3 divided by 2 is equals to 1. Remainder 1. Remainder 1. Then last, 1 divided by 2 is equals to 0. Remainder 1. So, dapat kung ano lang makukuhang answer, ituloy-tuloy lang na i-divide sa 2. Okay, next one. Decimal to hexadecimal conversion. The hexadecimal number system or base 16 uses 16 unique digits like 0 to 9 and A to F. The letters A to F represent the decimal value 10 to 15. It's widely used in computing, especially in color, codes, memory, address, and error message, because it's a very compact way to represent binary data. Okay, this is the step by step. Example, 255 base 10. Let's convert to hexadecimal. Step 1, continuously divide the decimal number by 16. So, 255 divided by 16 is equals to 15. Remainder 15. Remainder 15. Next one, 15 divided by 16 equals to 0. Remainder 15. Okay, this is the last step. Reading the remainder by 15 and 15 and convert two letters gives F and F. F and F. So, the hexadecimal equivalent of 255 base 10 is F base 16. This is the same remainder method adopted for base 16 system. The remainders give us the hexadecimal digits, and reading them in reverse order assemble the final number. The use of letter A to F is a standard conversion of represent value from 10 to 15 with a single digit. And last, hexadecimal to binary conversion. So, the hexadecimal system is base 16 system. A key feature is that each hexadecimal digit can be perfectly represented by a group of 4 binary digits or bits. Okay, this is the step by step. Sample, let's convert the hexadecimal number A3 16 base to binary. Step 1. Break the hexadecimal number into its individual digits. Right? A and 3. This is the step 1. We need to individual these two, this like A and 3. And step 2, convert each hexadecimal digit into its 4-bit binary equivalent. You can use conversion table for this. Okay, this is how to write A, which is decimal, which is decimal 10. Then 3 is 0011 base 2. So in step 3, we need to combine the 4-bit binary groups like 1010 and 0011. And the binary equivalent, and this is the binary equivalent of A3 base 16 is equals to 10100011 base 2. So this conversion method is shortcut that avoids going through decimal. It works because 16 is a power of 2. So 2 power of 4 is equals to 16. This mathematical relationship means that each hex digit which represent one of 16 value, can be uniquely and easily mapped, which also represent one of 16 value. It makes for quick and efficient conversation in computing. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.